What's up, everybody? Sal here with Simply Investing again. Welcome back to another stock pick episode. I think we're on episode 5 of stock picks. So I put me in the comments if I got it wrong, but if I got my own episodes wrong. But welcome back. Hit that like and subscribe button. Really appreciate you guys joining in. And I'm going to give you a reason why Porch Moving Group is in my portfolio and why I think it's a good buy for me. And to tell you the truth right now, I do have about 18% of my stock pick portfolio invested in Porch Moving Group. So without further ado, like and subscribe. We're going to get into this. There's a lot of great things to talk about with Porch Moving Group. Right now, it's at a great buy. If you look at its all year trend, it launched at a little over $10 on its inception in 2020, but we're looking at right now at about 225 right now. So we're about 75% down. However, they made huge purchases of purchasing other brokerage firms, other moving companies, other home service provider companies, and are doing a lot. And they are paying off their debt fast and they're making a profit. They're actually set to rebound this year, which is what's making it really good. I think it's a really good buy. Right now, a lot of analysts are saying it's a good hold, but I'm saying it's definitely a good buy. And the reason why I have purchased such a large percentage of my portfolio in this company is the reason because I do know that they have a lot of corporate contracts with a lot of big name retailers like Walmart, Target. They move Coca-Cola executives, middle management, entry level management, they move them all around. And they have a connection with Pods and ABF Freight on a recent purchase of their company in 2022, which I think was moving staffers. They purchased it and they had those contracts. So let's get into it here. I do like the financials. It's looking good. I think we could take a look at the financials down here somewhere. Bear with me here. But as you see here, I'm thinking it's all looking good. I know that my moving company is partnered with them, and the payouts have definitely increased over the last 3 years of me being a partner with them. Now, I was using Hire a Helper and an SML, and then they got bought up by Porch Moving Group, and now I kind of got onto all their platforms by default. However, they're doing a great job at adding value to the clients and to the movers as well, as in additional marketing and things like that. So these big companies, when the recession is hitting or we're having a slowdown in the mortgage and home market, these guys can provide a great amount of value for a lot of smaller cap companies like myself. My moving company still only caps out about 10 million is what we did last year off of 9 sites, and here we are. We're doing, this is one of our primary providers for that, and I think they do a fair job. However, there is still some worry because as the economy starts pulling back, more spending pulls back, moving could pull back, and these guys could still be effective. However, long term, I still think it's a great buy. And right now at 225, like this is a good buy to hold this stock for the next 10 years. This is what I'm saying is a good buy. I'm 40 right now. When I'm 50, that's probably when I'm going to be looking to cash out this stock, and I think it's a good buy. However, if we look at the last 3 months, we go to the last 3 months, we've had almost a 300% gain. I think I got to look at the overview profile here, if I'm not mistaken. I did check. We did talk about briefly on our morning things, but on our morning news, but yeah, right here, performance wise, looking at 301% up today. Year to date is down 26%. 1 month down 25%. 5 days down 16%. It is on a downward spiral. I think it's going to stop around $2, but I have a feeling when the economy starts to rebound, things start getting back to normal. Like these guys are saying price target of 20 to 32. I have a feeling that we could get even higher, maybe $50, $60 per share because the value is phenomenal. And they've expanded into handyman services, plumbers, electricians, things like that. So they're making it easier for independent contractors to succeed. They are definitely going to get a big bump. And even so, if you're looking at this, people are expecting a 10x off this stock. I can't. I can't see that happening within a year, but if you're talking like 5, 10 years down the road, this stock is going to be phenomenal and amazing to have in your portfolio. But do understand there are some risks involved. No company is safe from bankruptcy. No company is safe from a downturn. And I do expect a downturn on this stock in the next 12 months. I'm expecting us to go back down to a buck 50, maybe a buck and a quarter with this stock, just because the market's going to be down, moves are going to be down, clients are going to be down, spending is going to be down. We're going to have a downturn and we're going to finally hit the bottoming out of this recession. However, I do know that in the long term, moving's always great. It's always good. It's going to rebound and it's going to get back there. I would say dollar cost average. I would not make it as much as I have, where it's 18%. But also keep in mind, I also have two huge portfolios with my just using like financial advisors and Betterment and Wealthfront. I use those. I have a lot of money in there. My stock pick uh, fund is just money I'm comfortable with losing. As same thing like my crypto account. But also keep in mind, I have a furniture store company. I own a moving and logistics company. I have a real estate property management and holdings company. And so I have a huge cash flow, so I can recoup the losses I make from it. So just be aware of that. However, also, I'm not a financial advisor. However, I was a licensed broker. I could tell you right now, no one's paying attention to this, but it's not going to have a ramp up like you think. Like, don't look for I put money in 2 months, I made a fortune. That's not going to happen. What you're going to do is you're going to put 10,000 in. End of the year, you'll probably have 8,000. End of 5 years, you'll probably have like 50,000. Just and that's if you're dollar cost averaging across the next 5 years. So just keep that in mind as you guys go through this. But the news is looking great on this. So it's on a lot of people's watch list. It's definitely, you know, it's definitely staying up there. I think yep, here we go. Let's open up this one right here because that's definitely important. Sure, just tap. So, they say its expenses, losses rose, announces 2 deals. So they're still buying companies. They're still buying companies at a regular, and this was released in 2021, right? So I think they're probably still going, but if you see here, this is when they were making all those purchases. So they bought, what did they buy? Hire helper, moving staffers. What was the other one? Simply moving labor. Oh, there's another one in there. I wasn't familiar with it, but they bought them as well. They also bought they also bought a couple handyman service chains as well. Now, there's two things that can happen with this long term with the long term outlook of this. And what I mean by that is they're either going to get so big they can't be bought out and they're going to start buying out bigger competitors, or look for Angie to buy this company out. And when it does, it will buy it out at a premium, which means we're probably looking at 2 or 3 times IPO, which IPO was $10. So you're probably looking at 30 to 40, maybe $50 price target for an IPO purchase, but you're not going to get it right now when there's no free money. We're going to get it when the economy's booming, interest rates are low. We're talking about benchmark interest rates like under 2% again. We may never see it again, but if we do see that, that's when this company might be on a buyout alert too. But stay tuned. I'll always have this video up. Check us out for our lives. Check out our Patreon. Check out all that we got to offer. Give us a like and subscribe. Follow us on TikTok. We're trying to grow as big as we can. Cody and I have been doing this for quite a while, and we just love talking about this stuff. But with that said, guys, love all the support. Comment your questions. Comment down below. Let me know what you want, what stock you want me to do next. I'm probably going to do Ford, and after that, I don't know. I'm taking suggestions. Also, let me know what cryptos you want me to do a crypto pick of, because those will come every Monday and these will come every Friday. Thank you guys, and I will see you guys next time.